In the A schedule of the air brake system, clean the elements of the VA1B control valve. Open the VA1B control valve cover and take out its spool valve, the spool valve guide, and the pusher pin. Clean all these elements with recommended solvent and soak them with a clean lintless cloth. Now put the components back one by one. Put back the diaphragm and tighten the cover properly. Check the air hose coupling, its rubber sealing and its clamps. All of them should be in proper condition. In the C schedule of the air brake system, take out the J filter housing and remove the J filter element from its housing. Now put a new filter. Change the J filter O-ring and fit it back in the underframe.